Jamaica proudly joins the world today, March 15, 2026, to celebrate World Consumer Rights Day under the theme Safe Products, Confident Consumers. Here in Jamaica, the message carries even greater meaning as we continue to build in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. In time of recovery after a national disaster, consumers depend on safe building materials, reliable appliances, secure food supplies, and trustworthy services. The government of Jamaica remains committed to ensuring that all Jamaicans have access to products that meet the highest safety standards. As the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Jamaica's business ministry, we encourage, support, and facilitate businesses to consistently deliver safe products and services through compliance with the regulatory processes and best practices. This means fewer consumers are harmed, fewer families lose money, and Jamaica's standards remain strong. Through the Consumer Affairs Commission, one of 20 agencies in the ministry, we're steadfast in protecting Jamaican consumers every day. From April to December 2025, the Consumer Affairs Commission settled more than 700 cases and delivered over 24 million in refunds and compensation back into the hands of Jamaicans. Every Jamaican and investor can have confidence in Jamaica's marketplace. When complaints are resolved and compensation dispersed, people know their rights are protected. Businesses that follow the rules earn trust, and the market becomes stronger, fairer, and more reliable. I encourage all Jamaican business owners and consumers to stay informed, exercise your rights, follow best practices, and help to remove unfair players and unsafe products from our markets. Together, we can build a stronger, safer, and more resilient Jamaica. So, happy World Consumer Rights Day, Jamaica.